Hey guys, AlphaNine here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this new Dune suite guide. Basically, this is going to be about how to install this suite and use it for the first time. Right now, I'm downloading or installing the 0.4.5, point 5.4, my bad. Make sure to install to all users. It will ask you for admin permission. That's why my screen goes black. Install. And now it will pop up that some services or tasks still running. You will not see this once you start it. If you see this for any reason, just make sure to press on retry and it will kill the tasks and will finish the installation. Now we run this. It will ask you again for admin permission. It must goes with admin permissions. So make sure to have that on. Now it opens, and the first time it shows up, it will basically check for updates, as you can see here. Now we have 0.5.7 available, but I'm not gonna update. We'll keep it for later because I don't want to make this video long. And once it starts for the first time, it will open the wizard, this wizard. Make sure to have your hyper on and maybe your battle group on. It will make things easier for you. Welcome. This is a welcome. We go next. And in the next, at the top here, we have a server type. You choose remote VM, local Windows Hyper, anything you are using. For this Dune server install path and the server path, they are the same, but each one works for a different function. So we need to get those. The easiest way is just go to your Steam, go to the self-hosted server, right click, manage, browse local files, and click at the end and copy. Once you copy that, you go back to the suite and paste them in here, in both. Now for the VM name, this is how your VM is called. Basically, by default, it's going to be Dune Awakening by default from Steam. This is the IP for the VM. So make sure that you know the VM. Once you install and do the initial setup from the battle group, it will give you the IP. So this is the IP, should be in the server IP and the SSH host. Same for the SSH user. It's Dune by default. Now for the SSH key, basically, your SSH key should be in users, your user, app data, local, Dune Awakening server, and SSH key. Now, you will not have it in here, but if you go to your user, the same path I said, you will find your SSH key in here. And if you right click, copy as path, come back into the suite and paste it in here. Everything is set in here. We go next. Now, this is for the database. If you are using the local Windows or Hyper-V, this is locked because this is how the suite works. So it's on 127.0.0.1. For the port, it's the default port 15432. Database name is Dune as default, and the user is Postgres. Don't change this unless you are unless you know what you are doing. For the database password, you don't have to put it because most of the guys came to me that something is happening. This is why I put this feature in here. They don't know what's going on. So just use detect database credentials. It will just get the password by itself and it will test the database. As you can see, database authentication passed. Go next for the receiver. Same applies for the same IP because the receiver is running locally. The port is 5055. Receiver token and give item token is basically generated by the suite itself. You don't have to worry about this. For the receiver SSH host should be your VM IP. The receiver SSH user is Dune by default. Keep it this way. And the same here. For the receiver SSH key, it's the same SSH key that we put in the server. So just go there, or maybe it will tell you where it's found because you already set it up in the server. Just copy this and paste it in here. Test the receiver. You see receiver is online Now we go to the final. If you see this tick, this means everything is set up. You might be asked to just test everything in here, and all should be green and everything pass. And maybe you should just use the detected credential here once more. Just do it and save configurations. Basically, those configurations will be saved in a file, in an env file and in a config.json file, and you are all set. Basically, you don't have to do anything else. If something went wrong or you are not sure if it's running or anything, I leave my Discord in the description. Make sure to come to my Discord. Just say hi, let's have a chit chat, and we can fix whatever is going on. So this is it for now, guys. I hope you find this video useful. Until next time, stay safe, keep playing, and we'll see you the next one. Peace.